Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Professor Sistrunk, and I'm reaching out to the student body. Okay, students, this is the first day of class, and class has started. You received the email from me earlier, and with that email, I pretty much told you to get in here, find out what's going on, learn about your particular class, and take a look at things while you're in here. So with that being said, I want to reach out to you right now for those of you who have yet to go in here. Remember, I can see everything that's in here, so it's important that you get in there and start your work. For those of you who haven't started, but to those of you who have started, kudos to you. You're doing a great job. You're on point. So let's just take a look around. For those of you who may need a little more assistance, I am going to prepare a document and put it in here when I send this email out to you. But take a look at the email and also take a look at the document so you can be on point. What I'm going to do here is just basically go around and show you the various things you need to focus on. I am going to click on here as a student version so you can see it as a student. This is what you'll actually see. As you can see, the key things that you got to remember when you go in here is take a look at content. That's where everything will be located at. So just make sure you look at that. Discussions. This is where you're going to start preparing your discussion. You have one discussion every week, so make sure you go in there. And also, you have what I call a syllabus quiz. Now, that's the only thing. Syllabus quiz. Once you do that, that covers that section called quizzes and exams, because all your other work will be in a third-party application that we call My IT Lab or My Lab IT, whichever one you want to call it. So if you come right here to discussion, you will see it's a lot of rules that you got to read through, but down here's where the discussions start. Most students already have did some work in there because you can see it right there, but just make sure you get your discussions in on time. Read these rules because they're important. If you miss the rule, you miss the discussion. Or if you miss the discussion, you miss the rule. Whichever way it goes, you get it. It's summertime, people. I'm right with you. I'm trying to enjoy life too. The syllabus quiz is in here. It's open. Make sure you read the syllabus before you try to take the quiz, or just take the syllabus and take the quiz at the same time. Pull your syllabus out and start looking through the syllabus to get the answers to the questions. But just make sure you know your syllabus. Like I said in the email earlier, the syllabus is king. I don't even go against the syllabus because that's the contract that me and you in the college has signed up for. So make sure you follow your syllabus. Now, let's take a look at content because this is where you need to go. When you get to content, you will see that you have approximately 3 links in here. Now, I'm not going to click on the Zoom link because this is going to be on my YouTube page and the whole world will see it, and I don't want everybody contacting me. But you have a syllabus right here. Make sure you read your syllabus. I'm going to say that 1,000 times because this is where people make the mistake at. They don't look at the syllabus. The second thing is this link right here, My Lab IT. Click on this. This is going to teleport you into your course, which is Pearson. Now, I'm not going to click on it because I want to keep this video short, and I want to make sure that you guys are able to click on it and walk through any pains or problems that you may have, so then you can reach back out to me. But make sure you go through your syllabus. Now, that's pretty much all I want to talk about in this video log. I'm going to keep it to around 5 to 6 minutes because I'm going to be here in the office on Mondays and Wednesdays to deal with any questions that you may have. But this is important. We have a no excuse policy. Get into the work. Do the work. You're going to see me sending you emails. Read your emails. And for those of you who don't know, when I email you through the college email, and I email you through your personal email. because you gave your personal email to the college to say, hey, make sure our professors send us emails via that way. So with that being said, this is Professor Sistrunk. If you have any questions, send me an email. But most importantly, just log online with me. You know my office hours. And just get online with me and we can hash out whatever problem we may have. With that being said, this is Professor Sistrunk. I'll see you in the next video.